This is Annex Vlog. Happy birthday and you. Greetings na naman sa kong kaibigan sa White World. Happy birthday sis Annex. Tumataba na ako. Naway taba ka na rin. Ayan, naway pag-ingatan ka lagi ni Lord. Naway hana good health. And more blessings to come sa iyong YouTube channel. Marami pang revenue ang makuha. Ayan, di man tayo mag-GC or group. Ayan, yung pa rin. Wala naman. Ingat sis Annex Vlog. Laki na ng tiyan ko, kaya happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sis Ann. Wish you all the best. Stay healthy and pretty. Greetings from your Brad, from Beta Gamma P, Sindangan Chapter.
Hello, good morning everyone. Sa pinakamaganda kong pamangkin dyan sa Afro Inuman Sindangan.
Happy birthday, Sis Mary Ann. More birthdays to come in your life. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Vestal. I hope you enjoy your birthday today, and I always pray for your good health and take care always to yourself. We're here to support you and love you always. And again, happy birthday. Thank you so much for everything.
Hi po ate, happy birthday po. Sana po lagi kang mag-iingat, saan ka man po magpunta. Good health lang po ate. Wish ko lang lumaki pa ang views mo sa pagbablog mo at marami pang blessings nang dumating sa'yo. Maraming salamat ate. Kahit pa paano natutulungan mo po ako. Salamat po ate. God bless po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Today is your birthday. Keep good health and best wishes for you, my dear sister. Vita Gamma Phi birthdays, Mary Ann Vestal, sexy and guapa. More exercise, best and swimsuit. Oh, attire. Best wishes for you. Happy birthday, Sai!
Hello, it's a Thai family. Mga supportive friends, whitey friends, maraming salamat sa inyong mga greetings. Thank you talaga. My founder, thank you, Sis Bells. Kahit di kayo nagbigay ng message, alam ko andyan kayo lagi nakasupport sa akin, kundi sa akin, sa iba ko rin kasamahan. So thank you talaga. So ang wish ko lang na sana good health ako palagi, at kung ano man yung mga pagsubok na dumating sa buhay ko, kailangan kakayanin ko, laban ako. So thank you my family. It's a Thai. Salamat talaga sa inyong support. I love you.